Well, Achievers, we have all been there. That holiday party, that potluck that just got sprung up on you, or that family gathering where there was something there that you just wanted to take home with you. And that is what is so exciting about what we're going to show you today. Guys, we're going to show you the new tile, the recipe book. Many of you guys have been raving and asking about this for some time. Well, now with this tile, you guys are going to be able to take your recipe book wherever you go. If there's a photo of something you want and you want to get grandma's recipe, now you're going to have the ability to do that right in your planning system. This is going to work with OneNote, GoodNotes, Note Shelf, any annotation app for that matter, and it's a tile that you can add on right to your planning system. If you're not using our planning system, no problem. You can use it to create your own notebook or use it in your current planning system that you have. So stay with me as I show you how to unpack this tile. Well, Achievers, when we made the recipe tile, we wanted it to be something that could be universally used wherever you are. So we created this tile that allows you to create the name, serving, prep time, cook time, even your own personalized rating, as well as what you might serve it with. Maybe there's a good pairing of other dishes that you might want to pair this with, or even a fine wine that you might want to serve with this recipe. We have a place for your ingredients, as well as your directions, and a place for you to capture a photo. You can easily take a photo with your phone and import this right into the camera setting here, and you can do that across OneNote as well as many PDF annotation apps. So this is what the tile looks like. We included some additional tiles for note taking. So if you want to expand on the recipe note taking, in addition to the tiles, we provided the page template so you can customize your own layout. And with that page layout, we gave you some example layouts here. You can see there's a 2-spread, we have a 4-spread tile, and then we have a 1-spread with lots of notes. And you can see here how that might look. I find this really handy, so that way if you want to handwrite your notes or you want to copy and paste stuff from the internet or type, you have the ability to do that. So how would you create a recipe book? Well, with OneNote, it's pretty easy. And if you guys are waiting for the PDF annotation version of this, stay with me. We'll get to that in a second. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new notebook. From here, I'm just going to type in recipe, hit done, hit create, and allow that to create. Now what's really cool about this is once this is sunk up on this device, it's accessible across all my devices. I'm going to go into the actual tile. I'm going to go ahead and hit copy, and I'm going to copy that tile over to my recipe book, jump into recipe, and you can see the tile is now there. Now I'm going to back it up here a second, and I'm just going to slide this to the top. And then this section here, I'm going to rename. And here I'm going to call it casserole. So this way I can put all of my casseroles right in this tile. So if you wanted to have maybe items for like seafood, Mexican, desserts, whatever the case is, you could create all of these different sections and have all your different recipes laid out. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take this casserole and move it over here. And now you can see under casserole, I have my recipe for this grandma's beef casserole ingredients. So really it's as easy as that. And what's also really exciting about this, well, maybe you're at the party and someone says, hey, I saw your casserole, absolutely love it, I want to serve it this week. Can I get the recipe? Well, really easily, I can go back to my device, even if you have your phone, and you can actually send and share this page. I could share this page as a PDF from my phone in an email. It's going to put up an email, and you're going to see here, I'm providing them a PDF of this recipe that they can use, and they can use however they would like to use. Now, you can also share the notebook right in OneNote. I can go ahead and I can invite other people to this notebook so they can be able to share their recipes. This is really great for families. If you guys have all these different recipes across your entire family and you want to be able to share that, you guys can go ahead at the parties, at the events, type in your names, and then you guys will all be able to go home and add your own personal touches to the recipes in here. You can even upload your folders and make this pretty fun, and you can create comments and stuff too right inside the notebook. So that's how you can do it on OneNote. Let's take a look at how you can do it on GoodNotes. So I'm going to jump over to GoodNotes here. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my page settings here, and I'm going to go into my 2023 planner. And I'm going to go ahead right to this area here and tap on. So I'm going to go ahead and type in recipe. And what this is going to do is it's going to give me a bookmark inside my planner system. Now, if I wanted to create an entirely new notebook, I could do this as well. But I'm going to go ahead and click on the 45. It's going to show me my page. I'm going to go to my page tabs. And this is that page. I'm going to click on this little guy here and drop in add page after. Now, once you've installed the PDF and images on your device, you'll be able to follow these steps right here. I'm going to click on import, go to the location of where I saved it, which is in my downloads. You can see the recipe tile right there. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the PDF file. And I'm going to open that. And that is going to allow me to have that blank template. From here, I'm going to go ahead and click on photo and click on the option to insert from. And again, I'm going to go to downloads, click on recipe tile and choose recipe tile. And then this here will allow me to position that tile and resize it if I need to a little bit. And then I can also go ahead and copy that. So if I want to have more on there than just that one, I can paste it, and I can go ahead and paste a few of these on my page. And that's how you would create the use of the tile in the PDF annotation app, such as GoodNotes. So there you guys have it. That is a quick look at how you can use our recipe tile in GoodNotes, in OneNote, to create your own recipe books that you can share with your friends and your neighbors. For more tiles, go to our website and check out the Key2Success Planner. If you found one thing in this video pretty cool, go ahead, subscribe to our channel, like it, and if you have any questions, go ahead, hit the comments and ask away. Someone in the community will reach out to you. Thanks for tuning in.